Business is different now because we're looking towards the next step beyond WebRTC. And I feel like the courses have really helped us to anticipate what might be coming or what dangers lurk there now that we're going to encounter very soon. Hi, my name is Lewis Parks. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of ExtendedCare Telehealth. I was actually looking for a series of classes that I could make as part of the onboarding curriculum for existing employees, and new employees coming out. Our business is in WebRTC, and it was, a perfect class that I could find to get everybody at least with the same basic vocabulary and assume some basic knowledge from everybody on the team. We're often the smartest people in the room when it comes to WebRTC, and we owe that mostly to these courses. We are very up not just on the technology, but where is the industry as a whole going, and where do we think it's going? And so people have come to us looking for advice on that, and the secret to our success are the courses and the stuff that goes with it. They had a great balance of deep down technical knowledge, but presented in a way that maybe more non-technical people could understand as well. I had watched the videos before we went and purchased them for the whole team, and I just felt that these were the ones that, to me, could speak to the most amount of people. We all have to be able to speak to each other and use the same words and have everything mean the same thing. And so if anything, the classes are a dictionary. And when there's disputes about stuff, we often go back and say, oh, what did they say in the class about this? And what did they say about that? It's a great tool from just an internal communication perspective. The price, per student is very reasonable compared to the other courses on there. It's a very easy justification on my side. I think everyone is confident with a base understanding. And if there's something new that comes up, it's not for a lack of, someone getting caught off guard or surprised. We've got the basis pretty well accounted for. I buy them for every employee to come and watch, and I'll continue to do so as we onboard more people that need to get ramped up in it. I would, as long as they're not a competitor. I kind of like having them in my back pocket. And, for anyone looking for some base WebRTC courses, I can't recommend them enough.